Woo! Listen to that roll, dude. We got a thunderstorm coming in. Don't ever do this at home. They tell you not to, but I want to get some lightning on film. Woohoo! How do you like them apples? That was gnarly. That's about 11 miles up. That's about 11 miles up on that one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. And that is up in the hills too, dude. That's up in there. Wow. Listen to that cracker. Let's wait for the next one. I'll show you how to count. Tell you how far they are. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi. Ooh, there it goes. About 13 up on that spawn. Whoa! 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11. Wow! Ho 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 ho. It's getting right overhead, dude. I'm recording it. You see that last one just reach right down? I didn't see it. That's when I'm staying grounded. It is sick. Only in Idaho do you stand outside and watch the freaking lightning that could potentially kill you. Anyways, I'm going to visit with the neighbors. Whoa! That one was gnarly. Bird. And you count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. If you have no faith, go stand out in the middle of a thunderstorm in Idaho. You'll get it really quick. Let's see if we can catch another one. Here comes the rain. Whoa! That was a good one, dude. That was right on the treetop. I've been trying to get a gnarly one, you know, just that goes across the sky. Ooh, fly out. Oh yeah. It's black. What? We must be in the eye. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. It really happened? Well, it's just like a cannon. Getting close enough to a cannon. When it goes off, the percussion field will get you before anything else will. I'm gonna go after the cannon. Yeah, if you put rods in the ground, it'll make stained glass. You just gotta know how to what's that called? No, you gotta like polish it and stuff to get the sand off. Alright, whoa! Oh my god. That one was gnarly, dude. I got that one on tape. Hell yeah, dude. Listen to that. That's not a peacock, that was the lady from Avatar. You never seen Avatar? Alright, see you guys later. Alright, we're going in. Were you scared you didn't go home now? Hey, it only happens once. If it does it right. Struck by lightning.